Much in Uttarakhand, where we are getting these dramatic visuals from. 7 people reportedly have died due to the heavy rains. It's been raining there for over 48 hours. Among the worst hit districts are Uttarkashi, Tehri, Haridwar and Dehradun. Telecommunication lines are down. The army and the ITBP have been put on high alert. Around 20,000 people are reportedly stranded after landslides in the area. The Hemkund pilgrimage too has been put on hold. We are also getting news of some bridges that have been swept away in the Chamoli district, and the state government has put out an advisory asking people to refer to information on weather condition before venturing out of their houses or visiting the area.